Hello, I'm Johnny, and let's say that you are an engineer who wants to work with Svelte, the cybernetically enhanced framework that is actually mostly a compiler. Maybe you've heard good things and you want to try it out. Maybe there is a project at work that's already using it. In either case, you open in your editor your first .svelte file, and what you see is this. Everything is black and white, which is terrible, honestly. As an engineer, I strongly believe that you should refuse to work without syntax highlighting and automated code formatting. And in this case, I don't mean that you should give up on Svelte or go to your boss and resign or ask to be put in a different project. What I mean is spend a bit of time to configure your editor to work properly with Svelte files. And that's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna set up VS Code to work with Svelte. So, no colors, no formatting on save, and we're gonna resolve both of those things with the Svelte extension. Thankfully, that's all we need to do. Install this Svelte for VS Code extension, and if we go back to our file, bam, syntax highlighting. Colors are there. If you save, that's not gonna work. What you need is to go to your settings file and add this value here in the Svelte language option. Open your command palette, search for settings, Svelte, and paste in that option, which will enable the Svelte VS Code formatter for the Svelte files. This is pretty much Prettier enhanced. Prettier is the opinionated code formatting tool for TypeScript, JavaScript, and other front-endy things. And if you save, you'll go back to your file, save, and see that, bam, you got the auto formatting on save. Amazing. You may have noticed that this got sort assigned as we saved as well, which is what I meant with Prettier but enhanced for Svelte. Before, we had the posts being passed the React way, I suppose. So posts property equals to JavaScript, here's an array, but Svelte allows for sort assigning, much like it happens with JavaScript objects when the variable is the same as the key or property. So if you save that, Prettier for Svelte, that extension is gonna sort assign it for you. You don't have to remember that in Svelte you can actually do this, which is pretty cool. So hope you've enjoyed this and have fun with Svelte.